Hi everyone, and welcome to High School Python. In this video, we'll be setting up our Python coding environment using an IDE. An IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, is the application we use to write, run, and debug our Python code. To make our learning experience better, we'll also adjust some settings to make the interface more user-friendly. So let's get started. An IDE is a software application that allows programmers to write and test code more efficiently. There are many free IDEs available for Python, some of which are shown on your screen now. I've also included links in the description below. Each IDE has its own strengths and weaknesses, but for this course, we'll be using Thonny. Thonny is an excellent choice for beginners because it's so simple to use and includes features that make learning Python easier, especially for high school students. To install Thonny, follow these steps. Open your web browser and search for Thonny. Click on the official Thonny website. Hover over the Windows download link to see different installation options. Select the standard Windows installation option and click to download it. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and run the installation file. Follow the on-screen instructions by clicking Next through the setup process, then click Install. These default settings will work for most people, but feel free to review them before proceeding. If you'd like, you can pause the video now and install Thonny before we move on. Once Thonny is installed and opened, you might notice that your screen looks slightly different from mine. Don't worry, we'll adjust some settings to customize the layout. Let's explore the main panels. The editor, top left, is where you'll write your Python code. The shell, bottom, is where the code runs and where you'll see the output. The right side panel includes additional views like variables and the assistant. To make our workflow more efficient, we'll adjust the layout so that the shell will go to the top right. The variables panel will sit in the bottom right. This allows the editor to take up most of the left side of the screen. To adjust the layout, follow these steps. Open the Tools menu and select Open Thonny Data Folder. Before making any changes, close Thonny to prevent it from overwriting your updates. Find the configuration file and open it in a text editor. Scroll to the View section and add these two lines. The first line will move the shell to the top right of Thonny. This will increase the size of the coding panel where we write code. The second line moves the variables panel to the bottom right. Save the file and restart Thonny. Now, your layout should match mine, with more space for coding and a clear view of variables. By default, Thonny's assistant panel pops up when an error occurs. To keep our workspace uncluttered, let's disable this feature. Go to the Tools menu and select Options. Click on the Assistant tab. Uncheck the first two options to stop the assistant from automatically appearing. Click OK to save the changes. This will ensure that errors appear only in the shell, allowing us to focus on debugging using the Variables panel. If your layout doesn't look exactly like mine, you can always use the View menu to toggle panels on and off. In this video, we installed Thonny, a beginner-friendly Python IDE, explored its interface and key panels. Customize the layout to maximize our coding space. Disable the Assistant panel for a better debugging experience. Thank you for watching. If you're studying Python, especially for GCSE level coding, be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of this series. In the next video, we'll dive into variables, how to store data in our programs and retrieve it when needed. See you next time.